imyaka irashize indi iratashye ndabona patse future nyagasano bigi inama imbaraga zo gukora nizi mwuka bwa rimwe ubundi ndwana gisoja nta mbara y'amagambo ndwana n'iyibikorwa tinya ndidubu ndintare na byago n'intare nyoborwa n'intare dore nama ngwanda hatu nta n'ubuzima sinafumwe nayo nabyirutse nibonca imbamutima zanjye zinkundisha abafana utari umufana nkamwifuriza amahoro ibyo nidufitiye gahunda twese no gupfa nimujye inama narwo rukora ku munota ishima imana yigenera igaburo imagadina banjye baremere ndavuga ibindi mu nta mutima mubingira izana ubugomene ibyo biri mu manika mwakaze ihonye zenebwa umukire n'umukene gahunda no gupfa imicura burindi ritagira urumuri itazimo nkuta gahunda no kumitana inkote nyinda hati namutse yo mwijima imbaraga n'amavuta aja hati fata ibeterehe muri Yesu yavukiye kariyeri no ya biskup hasira amahoro ku mutima kakandi kabuze unakagaruye yewe mana yaroho mfachirize umufana boni pane jum says good nyuma hot update umufana ngo yawe dire mu madini challenge any man hasira mu hasara yeah
When are you coming to the UK? Yeah, we need to get there at some point. Last time I was in the UK, I think like 6 months ago. They want multiple streams. Nah, right?
Multiple platforms?
Focus on one chat.
Snaps for one chat.
Stay true to the green app.
Got a lot of loyals on Kick.
You got a lot of loyals on Kick. All Grandians are proud of you, Ashton Small. Look.
Yeah, thank you so much and I love you. Rwandans, are you ready? Soon you are coming.
Yeah.
I hope that you are ready.
Hey, do that rap song for us again.
A song?
Your song that you made, the rap song, the hip-hop song.
Okay.
Check them.
Yeah. Hip-hop song?
Hip-hop.
Yeah.
Good. So very nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Too good. He performs all day. He'll sing, rap whenever you want. Whenever. Chat, we need to make the full music video for him. That'll go crazy.
वही तो लेकिन
There's so much traffic here, bro.
Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Still none?
So
It'll be here. It'll be here in like 15 minutes. 15 more. You gonna post up? Oh man, we gotta get to the next spot, chat.
yabivuga uko bitekereza ora inzozi zanjye za kumanywa mbese mbyite paradizo singitandukanye umunsi nijoro kuko nibanira n'akazuba iminsi yanjye ihora ari sande cause of your life my baby nani nakupenda money tonight my desire my reason to live darling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a malaika, malaika. Bivuga kenshi yo yanibishira. Ubyuko wantwaye umutima pe. Ese mbwira icyo ubikunda. Banumva nakuririmba bugacya. Vigimiko mayo mu nzozi zanje yo mba mungize ngo mpange niyo unzamo nakupenda muri my desire my reason to live darling.
Woo! So nice singing.
Too good.
Yay!
Too good.
So nice singing.
Thank you, man. Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
Indian.
So Indian Ash will be with us the whole time.
Thank you.
Not just in Nigeria.
Very happy to see you.
Not just in Nigeria. The high-low pitch is crazy. You go high, then low.
Yeah.
And he's looking at the camera the whole time. He was made for this.
Yeah, man, I don't know to sing very well, but I'm just trying.
Brother, you sing good, bro.
Really?
What you mean, really? You sing amazing, bro.
I don't know if I'm amazing, but
No.
I'm just trying.
No. You're amazing.
Thank you.
I'm telling you.
Thank
Easy.
You. Thank you.
They want Indian Ashton Hall to sing.
Let's hear
Hey, brother, do you sing? That boy said.
Yes,
That boy said, "Shut up, I'm editing."
Oh, man.
Hey, W's for the outfit. What y'all think? W or L? W or L for the outfits? Drop it. W's. W's. All right, no worries. I'll get Indian Ash to sing a song in like 2 or 3 minutes. Bro, got a post right now. If I talk to him right now while he's editing, he might fight me. They're spamming that. We want to hear Indian Ash. Big dubs. Is this the new AB and Dean? Nah, shout out to them guys. Shout out to them guys. I watch their clips too often. Too often. They be having so much going on. As in small, Buranda and Rwanda used to be one country. So Buranda and Rwanda used to be one country?
So I don't know. Burundi is neighbor of Rwanda.
Burundi?
Yeah, Burundi is neighbor of Rwanda.
It was never?
Burundi is neighbor of Rwanda.
Oh, it's never. It's neighbors.
Yeah,
But
we are
it
neighbors.
used to be one country, they said.
Yeah, so always just say like in Rwanda, and then if the people from Burundi just say Ichirundi, and the Ichirundi language it seems like Kinyarwanda. Yeah, seems like Kinyarwanda. And if you say Muraho, so and the people from Burundi
Muraho?
just say Muraho. Yeah, Muraho means say hello.
I'm starting
How
to
are
think.
you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm starting to think we should jog there. All right. Ashton Hall. Yeah, can we? Okay. It used to be one country before the colonization. Kenya, we waiting. They want us to come to Kenya, bro.
From Kenya.
Let's get on top or something. Yes, it was. We say we share the same culture, same language, almost everything.
Supposed to be done. Oh, okay.
Indian Ash knows English.
Oh, wow, okay.
How far are we? 30? Sheesh. God damn.
Do you think that if
We can't walk?
do you think that if we walked, we would get there around the same time or less? It's pretty far. Huh? Okay. No worries. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anytime, huh?
Get on the roof. Yeah. All three of us. You can get in the middle. Yeah. Brother, open. Shout out to NT Sinzi. We can do that up there. Just turn it up. My body hurt. Dang, it's nobody right here though. Indian Ash,
So मुझे video
get small up here first.
this bag is bag सुन मुझे रख दो ऊपर जाना है।
Come over here.
Come.
W Carter in the chat. I'm seeing a lot of Carter. Who is Carter? Small Ash doesn't have a phone. He definitely has a phone. Y'all letting him up?
Yeah. Right there.
Jesus is King. Carry on. Always. Always. Too easy. Come to this side. Oh, this might be a lot of weight. Too much weight, you think?
That might be too much.
Not enough space, huh?
Yeah, too much of Indian Ashton too.
Huh?
Too much of Indian Ashton too.
Really?
Unless
much
you get
space.
on that side.
I get on this side?
Yeah, yeah. That one.
What you think? Too much? 3 people is crazy. Yeah, 3 people is wild. Put him back down. What's up?
You're too athletic.
What's up? What up, chat?
I'm a content creator. I'm a swimmer also.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see.
I love you too.
No, and
Bella. Bella is
So-
my brother.
Who?
Bella.
Bella.
Swimmer, is a big swimmer.
Bella,
Yeah.
you keep going.
Yeah, Bella.
You keep going. You never stop. God bless you.
Yeah,
God bless.
you are the best.
We're in Lagos. Hey, where is this in Lagos? I think we're by some towers that say CBD. Huh? Go inside? Now? When we go to the restaurant? Main road, get down. Okay, main road, I'll get down. Thank you, bro.
Can't post?
Hey, ask Indian Ash, does he have Wi-Fi? Hey,
Yeah.
Indian Ash, you got Wi-Fi now?
No, bye.
I think he's editing. You're
Oh, he's
editing?
still editing?
Yeah.
Oh. Tell him to keep editing.
So, 2 minutes. Thodi small.
2 minutes is too big.
Yeah,
Indian, huh?
He said it's 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes. He's trying to make it smaller.
2 minutes?
It's 2 minutes long. He's trying to make it smaller.
Oh, really?
He's editing.
It was 3 minutes. He's trying to make it long, short. It was like 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
He's gonna make it smaller than 2. He said.
Yeah.
He said he cracked the algorithm too.
Oh no, he cracked that. He cracked the algorithm, especially in India. Yo, you look fresh. You look fresh. You look fresh. You look fresh. Thank you. Thank you, Abby Smith. W. Carter. Bring Ashton Small to India. We can do that. That's easy. They want me to bring Indian Ashton Small to India. That would go crazy. He would blow up.
India.
Ashton Small to India.
You got some peanuts when the lady walked in.
Right?
The next person walked by, we gotta get him.
Yeah, we gotta get something. Love, bro. Love you too, brother. What up, bro? Hey, what you got in that box?
What you selling?
What you got in that box, bro? What you got in that box? He said love, man. He said don't worry about it. Love.
Look at helmet.
Huh? Chat, look at the helmet. What is that supposed to do? That helmet ain't saving nothing. What? I guess it'll save the skin.
Show it again, show it again. This is chill.
This is true,
Think
right?
of this like your rest time, you know?
Yeah.
Get your energy back.
Yeah.
Because it's not gonna really be clear unless something crazy happens.
Yeah.
But you're not wasting time. I mean, it's whatever.
Yeah. We're just going for the clips.
Yeah, you don't gotta be going non-stop. I don't know. I hate people with that little tree though.
Huh?
They smacking people with branches though.
Really?
The cops, yeah, police, they be smacking people with branches.
Love. 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 We love Nigeria.